Today's video is all about how to increase your sperm count naturally. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know the right thing to do in order to increase your sperm count as a man. But before I proceed, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you for supporting this channel. May God bless you as you support this channel. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case you are new on this channel, consider to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So how are you going to increase your sperm count? It is all about just one simple juice that will help you to increase your sperm count. This juice, not only that it will increase your sperm count, it will also increase your sex life or improve your libido. It will also increase your immune system or build up your immune system. It will also give you a healthy skin. It will also make your hair to grow. It has so many benefits. This juice has the best benefits. So instead of taking artificial drinks, it is better to take this juice, which I am going to share with you people in today's video. But the major reason why I am sharing this juice to all men out there is because of one most particular benefit. That benefit is only but increasing your sperm count and also improve your libido or give you sex drive. So what is that juice? That juice is nothing but palm wine. It is a natural drink, a natural juice, but drink it responsibly. It has a little bit alcohol, but the alcoholic is natural. But on how you keep taking palm wine on daily basis, I bet you that it will increase your sex life or sex drive. And not only that, it will help you to boost up your sperm count or increase your sperm count. So consider taking palm wine as a man instead of taking alcoholic or other artificial juice or drink. Consider taking palm wine today. If you are a man, you really want to increase your sex drive or your libido or increase your sperm count, consider taking palm wine on daily basis. It will help you to boost up your immune system, also help you to give you a healthy vision. Palm wine has so many benefits. So for every man that wants the best in his health or in his life, consider taking palm wine. You will have the best you want as far as your body system is your concern, as far as your performance is your concern. Consider taking palm wine. It also kills germs in your body system. It has the ability to terminate cancer. So consider taking palm wine once again to be the best man you want. So that is it for today's video on how to increase your sperm count with palm wine. I hope you get value from watching this video and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button to support this channel. Subscribe to be a member of this very channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to put it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by. Please give palm wine a trial in your life. Drink it, but drink responsibly. Thank you for watching. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye for now.